Hello friends, today I will give you new topic level of paging system. A number of questions has come in examination which is related to paging scheme, but how it will be solved? So at first you should identify the questions, that how it will solve, which method we can use here. Now start trick to solve level of paging scheme. Level of paging scheme. Single level paging scheme, it means it is divided into two parts. One part is called page number and another part is called offset. It means virtual address equal to page number plus offset. Second level paging scheme means two level paging scheme. It is divided into three parts. One part is inner page number, one part is outer page number, and other part is offset. It means virtual address represent equal to outer page number plus inner page number plus offset. Part 3 level paging scheme, it is divided into four parts. One part is outer two page number, one part is outer one page number, one part is inner page number, other part is offset. It means virtual address equal to outer two page number plus outer one page number plus inner page number plus offset. These are the trick to solve single level paging scheme, two level paging scheme, and three level, it is also called multi-level paging scheme. First of all, you can find out virtual address. Virtual address you will get it page number plus offset. For example, see the questions. Question has given already mentioned here. This question is related to a single level paging scheme. Page size is 4 kilobyte and page table entry size also given 4 byte. The size of page table is also given 4 kilobyte. Then find out the division of virtual address space. Now solve. Try to solve these questions. We know that according to rule, according to formula, virtual address space is divided in two parts. One part is called page number, another part is called offset in a single level paging scheme. In these questions, virtual address find out. Now let number of bits in virtual address equal to n bit. It's assumption. So according to formula, we know that the process size equal to 2 to the power n bit. It means n is represent virtual address, bit of virtual address. It means process size we can find out 2 to the power n byte. And also given that page size equal to 4 kilobyte. 4 kilobyte in convert into byte 2 to the power 12 byte. It means offset we can find out 12 byte offset. Then number of page of process equal to number of page the process is divided, and also number of page the process divided equal to process size by page size. Process size we have find out 2 to the power n byte divided by 4 kilobyte. It means 2 to the power n byte divided by 2 to the power 12 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 12 page. Now second, find out the page table size. We know that page table keep track of the frame storing the page of process. So page table size equal to number of entry in page table into page table entry size. Number of page the process is divided into page table entry size. Number of page the process is divided. We can find out 2 to the power n minus 12. It is the number of page the process is divided. And page table entry size is given in questions 4 byte. So we can calculate it 2 to the power n minus 12 plus 2 byte equal to 2 to the power n minus 10 byte. But we know that in questions page table size has given 4 kilobyte. So we can write now here 2 to the power n minus 10 byte equal to 4 kilobyte. It means 2 to the power n minus 10 equal to 2 to the power 12. So we can write now here n minus 10 equal to 12. N equal to 22. The number of bits in virtual address is equal to 22. We can also find out the another way. Number of bits required to search a particular in page table equal to number of bits in virtual address minus number of bits in page offset. It means number of bits in virtual address we have already find out 22 bit minus page offset also find out 12 bit equal to 10 bit. One other answer. Another answer we can find out another method. We know that number of entry in page table is equal to number of page the process is divided equal to 2 to the power n minus 12, and we have already find out 22. It means 2 to the power 22 minus 12 equal to 2 to the power 10. Thus number of bits required to search a particular in page table for single level paging system equal to 10 bit answer.